Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico from the Creativity Cave. I am here in Sheridan, Wyoming with my Stampin' besties. And we may or may not have had a margarita or two or three tonight, but I have super cute cards to share with you from this month's Paper Pumpkin Kit. Look at how happy and fun these cards are. Oh my gosh, I love them. So, also, I would like to introduce you to the official gummy bears of our Coronacation road trip. Okay, guys. So this month I am using our fabulous Paper Pumpkin Kit, and I know you're going to ask me how to get it, and the answer is they are sold out. But you can get next month's kit. If you haven't subscribed to Paper Pumpkin, it's so much fun. I'll explain to you how to get next month's kit in just a second. But this month's kit makes these super cute cards. There are 12 cards in all with envelopes and all of the stuff that you need to make these cards. And I'm going to share with you some alternative ideas with the kit. You get all the instructions you need. They even give you a few extra ideas on the back. And then when you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin with me, I will send you an additional 12 to 15 ideas each month to help inspire your creativity, as well as keep your creative juices flowing after you've used up all the things in your kit. Now, next month, our Box of Sunshine is a Paper Pumpkin kit that's been created by Sarah herself. She has created a super fun, happy kit. And as I mentioned before, if you are one of my subscribers, I did some shopping at Target and got fun little things to put inside my empty Paper Pumpkin box. And I'm going to draw 2 names from my subscribers and send you a fun little box from my Paper Pumpkin kit. So make sure that you subscribe today to get in on this kit. You have until June 10th to register for it, and it is going to be super fun. I'm very excited. Okay, so this month's kit cards look like this. So there's one. Oh, happy day. Hey, so fun. And then this one is probably my favorite. You're amazing. But I wanted to show you what I came up with to go with these projects. So my 2 cards are really cute. They're just happy, and they feature some of our brand new in colors. So I'm going to start with the Hey card. So for this one, I'm taking one of the pieces from my kit. So this is a pre-printed card, and I'll take and stamp on this with the stamp that comes in here. I'm just going to ink this up with some Versamark, stamp this down, and then I'm going to sprinkle some powder over this. Hold on, let me grab it. And I just got white embossing powder. I'll sprinkle that over the top, and then I'm going to go heat set it. The heat gun is out of the range of my camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got this embossed. Isn't that adorable? And I'm going to adhere it to a piece of our new Magenta Madness cardstock. This is one of the new in colors, and I love it's such a rich pink fun color. So while we've been here in Wyoming, we've been seeing the sights. We went up into the mountains the day before, or no, that was yesterday, wasn't it? And we saw the local sights. So that included like 21 mooses,
antelope, hundreds of elk,
dozens of antelopes, hundreds of elks, prairie dogs,
the elusive peacock.
and one elusive peacock. I believe I saw a jackalope, but no one will corroborate that with me.
That is not confirmed.
And I'm pretty sure we saw Sasquatch as well. But again, no one believes me. I believe I have an eye for these things, but whatever. Also, we almost got kicked out of Barb's house.
Do you have to tell everyone about that?
Yes! Because Kelly was not checked out on the pellet gun. caused irreparable damage to the sheriff's hose, and he's all about the lawn care. Luckily, we were able to stay last night, but we're kind of on a day-to-day basis around here. You just never know. All right, so isn't that so cute? It's so happy. Okay, so I'm going to put, okay, I know there are like 100,000 packages of dimensionals, but yet I can never find them when I need them. Okay, so that pink baker's twine was part of the kit. So I'm just going to add my little dimensionals here. Okay, now to embellish this, our kit comes with these little epoxy shapes. So I'm just going to put a few of these on here. They're so cute. They match the pink from the Magenta Madness. I'm just going to tuck one under there, put another one right there. Isn't that cute? Also, I'm going to eat my gummy bear. Okay, so that was our first card. Our second card uses the rainbow stamps that come in the set, which, oh my gosh, you guys, you know I love rainbows. So I'm really excited about them. And for this, I'm going to clean this one. Hold on. Sometimes I think looking at your Stampin' chamois is like looking at the history of your stamping, because you can see all the stuff you had to clean off. Okay, so I die cut one of the scalloped rectangles from the Stitch So Sweetly dies, and I'm going to stamp these. Now, because we have not been able to pre-order our in colors yet, I'm switching up the colors a little bit. I've got Flirty Flamingo. I'm just going to stamp that largest ring. Oh my gosh, you know what that is? That is the arch in St. Louis. So if you live in St. Louis, boom, you've got a stamp set for your city. Okay, next up, I'm going to do Mango Melody, which is an awesome color. And I'm going to stamp that right there. And then the last one is Daffodil Delight. And I'm going to stamp them right here. Okay, so isn't that cute? Now you can do all kinds of color combinations for your rainbow, and they will be adorable. I also have a sheet of Granny Apple Green, and one of the other little elements in the stamp set is kind of like those epoxy shapes. It's this little star flower thing. So I thought I would just sprinkle a few of these on here. I'm just going to kind of do them like this along the side, a few down here, and some up here. Oh my gosh, aren't those adorable? I'll add this die cut piece on top. And like that. And then I'm going to stamp my sentiment in some Coastal Cabana. Okay, sorry, I had to grab my Coastal Cabana. You know, the color that lets us know God loves us. All right, so I'm just going to stamp Oh Happy Day. And don't you think this is the perfect sentiment to go with a cute little rainbow? I do. Now I'll take my triple banner punch and just punch the ends of this. And can I just tell you, I believe I have mad stamping skills. Because not only could I stamp all of this stuff straight and punch the ends with my triple banner punch, but I'm doing that after 2, maybe 3 margaritas. I think that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to adhere this right below my rainbow, like so. And then, like any good card, we got to put some awesome gems on here. So a girl likes her bling, right? So I'm going to take my rhinestones and place them onto my card with my Take Your Pick tool. This is my favorite stamping tool. No one should be without one of these. They are so helpful for putting on little gems like this, as well as lots of other types of embellishments such as sequins and different things. It just makes it so much easier to place them on your card. All right, that looks really great. So I will take and stamp this, or I'm sorry, adhere this to a Granny Apple green card base. And then we will have 2 happy, adorable cards. And these would be so awesome to brighten someone's day with. So much fun. Now, don't forget to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin so that you can get in on next month's Sunshine box. And as always, I will send you fabulous ideas to help keep your creative juices flowing. Thank you guys so much for stamping with me today. I really appreciate your business. And if you need to order any of the supplies to create these projects, please shop my online store. You can find the links in the description of this video, as well as on my blog post, which I will also link to this video. Thanks for stamping with me today, guys. I'll see you soon. And I just have to tell you, maybe some of the gummy bears in this video were harmed. I cannot tell you for sure. Bye-bye.